Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable tracking protection in the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile device. This feature helps keep your personal data safe and prevents apps from tracking. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings to access the DuckDuckGo browser configuration page. After that, click on App Tracking Protection. Next, tap on Continue to proceed with enabling the feature. Then, select App Enable Tracking Protection to activate it for your device. Finally, click on Always Allow to make sure the protection is fully enabled and working correctly. Once you have completed these steps, your DuckDuckGo browser will actively block trackers from monitoring your online activity. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more privacy tips.